I've been up the Old Man today in Coniston, and he's had me in more ways than one. And would I come back? Welcome to Coniston. That is nothing like what I look like. And I'm out of breath and we've only just started, but we're climbing the Old Man of Coniston today. Something a bit different for the channel. And we're here with a very good, loyal, beautiful friend of mine called Ian. No, he's not mute, he's just waving because he's looking at a map to make sure we don't get lost. So, if you want to watch a video about a slightly overweight man in his 40s with basic gear visiting an old man in Coniston, no, I will not be near any public lavatories. We are on a hike. Watch this video. Some cows over there. Never say it much, but like and subscribe. We need 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. We have got all the we have got all the hours of watch time we already need. Onward, onward and upwards. I might have to fill up there later with some water.
Treat today, dude.
You are?
We're in for a treat.
Yeah, I thought he said we're doing something with a tree. Have you got something to bore a hole? Anyway, it's not that sort of video.
See that White House?
Yeah.
We've got those trees. It's just behind there.
Oh wow, look at that. Had to take the jacket off, slightly warm, as you know, or may not know, I do run kind of hot. A bit like an old Xbox 360. That's not had the dust sucked out of it in a few years. But onward we go. Like I said, it's going to be a bit of a different video today. So far we have seen a car with a mouldy steering wheel. We've passed other hikers, which is nice. You know, people are friendly, they say hello. Unlike the streets of Leeds, you smile at somebody, I wonder what the hell's going on. Yeah, you might not see it. Oh, that's my thumb. As I say, the camera does not do it justice, but you could crawl through that. And a whole new dimension. Oh, a bit zoomed in. Anyway, we'll take it that. You'd wake up as a new man. Many people say these hills have healing properties. We will find out today. If anything, I will lose a few extra pounds, gain some brilliant insight, maybe learn how to use my camera. We found a snake. I'm out of breath again. I'm whispering because we've just found a snake. I nearly stood on it. I was trying to get an advantage point. I don't know why I'm whispering. You might be hard of hearing. We're just getting a few photographs of it. Look, yeah, look at it. Hello, Mr. Snake. That's sick. What about Mr. Snake? Good camouflage. Bloody good camouflage. It's probably from a sheep. Maybe I could take that, take it to a wig store or something. Get a pretty penny for it. Obviously, you'll see me in various shapes and sizes, different hair colours. Today, on the 8th of June, I'm technically 16 stone 9, I think I said. Been doing carnivore again. Stopped for a second to rehydrate, and I think Ian's having a Twix. I might get into some Polish sausage I brought with me. Just got onto that quite recently. It's quite nice. Ocado, I believe it's 3 for £7 at the moment. That offer might have passed by the time you see this video, but yeah. Apparently we're making good pace. I am sweating a lot. I'm about to put the old man bag in the rucksack, and I might have some chocolate fingers. Ian's just said we're going up where those people are. You can't see him again, the camera doesn't do it justice. We've rehydrated. Ian's enjoyed his Twix. I didn't go for any food yet. There's a lot more to me than Ian, but I guarantee you I'm having something when we get to the top of this hill. Maybe with hills and stuff, you just think about it like life. It's just one challenge, one thing after another. And eventually you get to the top, then you come down, then you go up again. I think quite profound. Any reason why it's called the Old Man?
No idea.
No? Fair play. Maybe I'll find that later in a voiceover. Ian's saying we can see over there. I won't show you. Again, camera doesn't do it justice. We're about 1/12 of the way up. You're going to hear a lot of huffing and puffing from me. Less of the drinking today and commenting on unusual style objects and things. If anything, lets me enjoy Nice day with a good friend, and hopefully this could become a more regular thing. We can get better equipment, get better snacks, and get a better overall understanding of hiking. And possibly you could wild camp over there at some point. Also, there's a car park, you wouldn't be too far, I thought it was 2 miles. And he says it's more like one. Mr. Sun's making a welcome appearance, and so's Mr. Rain, which will mean I have to put this camera away. Looking at getting an Action 5, but we'll see. It's a lot of money in it. I've got bills to pay, kids to feed, takeaways to buy. Still panting, struggling to film actually. Trying to concentrate, just breathing and walking here, it's fine. He's treating it like a walker on Morrison's. So that was very cleverly disguising. Is it? Oh, that's good to know. Let me catch my breath. He said there were a coffee shop up here. There ain't no coffee shop. It's an office. Obviously I'm joking. Oh, look at this. There's some history for you. Oh yeah, look at all this. Carriages and stuff. So a ribbon shed. It sounds sexual, but also like for digging stuff. Ribbon shed. Let's just have a look on the edge. Look at these. Oh. Okay. That's nice. Like I say, it don't look much, but that absolutely killed me, that first bit. Welcome to Coniston, or the Old Man. Right, not filmed in a while. I'll admit it, I was absolutely knackered. We got to the top, didn't film it, sat down, had a can of Coke, some of the kids' chocolate fingers from their Easter eggs, and some more sausage. Ian over there said that my sausage smell of like dog food. Yeah. Anyway, we're up here now. Oh, the mist is dropping a bit, Ian. Yeah. Again, like I say, the camera does not do it justice at all. It's so peaceful and tranquil. You can really get your thoughts together up here. You can really have a moment with yourself. I had to put a hat on because my ears were freezing. God, my nose is running as well. Lesson learnt from that first climb up there: take your time, don't feel rushed, go with somebody you trust, and and make sure you don't touch you on the way up or down. And if you do, make sure you buy him a pint when you get to the bottom. Right, so his name's Ian, he's 45, he's into photography and hiking, and he likes a bitter. What have you enjoyed about today, Ian?
Not a lot.
So, today, Ian has run me.
I like how you.
He's run me up a ringer. He's had me up and down. I'm going to take him for a nice pint and a pub lunch now. We'll take you with us. It's been delightful. It's been hard work, I'll be really honest. I'm still holding his hand. It's getting awkward. It's been really difficult. But one thing I'll say is, life's all about pushing yourself to certain extremes as long as they're safe and trying stuff. I went for years and years about caring how my hair looked. How I look personally. I'm fat, I'm nearly 45, I've got 2 kids, I'm grey, but you know what? I've been up a big fucking mountain. Can I call it a mountain?
Oh, it's a mountain.
Yeah, I've been up the Old Man today in Coniston, and he's had me in more ways than one. And would I come back? Yes, I would. If I come back 2 stone lighter, and we'll do this all over again. And I'll just let you, and I'll tell you what, I'll make you a promise. If I come back and I'm lighter, I'll go in some water. In fact, I actually brought my shorts with me today. But we've had every weather, sort of like known to man today. Rain, and wind. Bit of sun. So we're going to head down the hill now, and we're going to get a pint, a bit of a chat. It's been good. You know, like if you're ever out there, you don't see your friends that often. You know, when you meet back up again, it's like nothing's ever changed. Never be frightened of trying something. Don't really know what else I'm going to say, blah 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 in this bit, Dan. Just cut this bit out. I brought a little cloth to clean front of the camera, I do.
Oh, no.
Yeah, multi-pack of Rennies. Cheers. So it's been really good. We're in the Udale Inn. We've ordered some sandwiches. I'm talking quietly because there's quite a few people nearby. Knackered, hungry, had a pint, getting some food, and then we're walking off back. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would. Make sure you, it's not for beginners, make sure you take a person that's done it at least once before. Some of you may say you know a few people that have been in an Old Man. Make sure somebody's been on the bike, you know what I mean. Did you know it was a local slate quarry? We've gone for a cider now, there's a little chaser. Rough, first time. Oh, look at that, yeah. I didn't even recall that. I took a massive bite of a beef sandwich. It went all down my face. Slightly glistening. And it's really hard to film in public, but the truth is no one gives a fuck. My mate Ian's watching me now, smiling away, with a very luscious thick beard. With the longest hair I've seen and the most beautiful hair I've seen since our Lord Jesus Christ. Sipping on a lager shower. So I'm going to enjoy my food now. I'm going to end this here. I'm going to do a recap this evening in my kitchen. You've not seen it before. There's a first for everything.